In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a sequence diagram using drawio in just 5 minutes. Whether you're developing software, managing a project, or simply looking to visually map out a sequence of actions, knowing how to create a sequence diagram can be an incredibly useful skill. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to draw.io, which is now known as diagrams.net. This is a free online diagramming tool that's perfect for creating a variety of visual representations, including sequence diagrams. Once you're on the website, you'll be greeted with an interface that makes it straightforward to start your project. Now, look towards the left side of the screen, where you will see the menu tab. Click on it and then you'll find something called plus more shapes. This option allows you to add different types of diagramming shapes to your workspace, which is essential for our task today. Click on this to proceed. Next, you'll find yourself in a menu filled with different diagram options. What you need to do is scroll down until you see a section labeled UML. UML stands for Unified Modeling Language, which is a standard way to visualize the design of a system. To draw a sequence diagram, check the checkbox next to UML to make these shapes available in your workspace. Once you've selected UML, there will be an option below to apply your selections. Go ahead and click on Apply. This action configures your workspace so that all the UML related shapes and options are ready to use, making it easier for you to create your diagram. Now direct your attention to the sidebar menu on the left. You'll see UML listed there. Click on it, and this will reveal all the UML shapes available to you. These shapes are what you'll use to construct your sequence diagram. So familiarize yourself with the options. From this UML section, click on the Objects tab. This tab includes all the necessary shapes like actors, lifelines, messages, and other elements that you'll need. By clicking here, you'll have access to drag and drop these components directly into your diagram space. With all the setup complete, it's time to create your sequence diagram. Use the objects and lines to start arranging and connecting various elements according to the sequence you want to illustrate. Remember, a sequence diagram typically includes actors, objects, and the messages exchanged between them, represented by arrows. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a sequence diagram using draw.io. Take your time to tweak and adjust your diagram until it perfectly reflects the sequence you want to portray. Practice will make this process even faster and more intuitive, and before you know it, you'll be crafting detailed sequence diagrams like a pro. Thanks for tuning in today and enjoy diagramming.